Hi y'all, it's Brenda with Creations by Babydoll. I hope everyone is doing wonderful. Today I'm going to be doing a straight pour on a 10 by 10 canvas. I'm going to be using Artist Loft Titanium White. Let's see. And then I am going to be using Artist Loft Pthalo Blue. And then DecoArt 24 karat gold. And then Soho Dioxazine Violet. Take that off. There we go. And I'm just going to do a couple layers of each one. Now I'm pouring on the side to have the colors just lay on top of each other and do layers. And then the 24 karat. And then one more row of each. I think that'll be perfect. And the violet. Alright, so I'm going to pour it straight in the center here. Oh no, something came out. Well, I did not do a good job of staying in the center there. Whoops. Oh, wow. I don't know if you can see in that. That is pretty. Alright, let's give it a quick little torch. Pop the air bubbles. So, let's see, I'm going to go around, whoops, in a circular motion. I really want to try to keep the rings. Oh, wow. I am loving these colors. And that purple is gorgeous. But I think one of my colors did have silicone in it, from the looks of it. So let's see, I'm going to start off on this corner. Bring it down. I'm going to try rocking it a little bit so I don't lose that definition of the circles. Over the side and back. Alright, let's see. I think we're going to go this way next. There we go. Oh, wow. Okay, wanted to make sure I had my edges there. Now let's bring it back to center, my bad. Alright, I think I'm going to go this way first. trying to get the weight of the paint the same. There we go. Cupping the edges. Ooh. That gold and that purple are gorgeous together. Get it over the edge. Bring it back. Whoops. I want to make sure to hit that edge. Alright. Let me check it out. Here, I want to try to open up some of those gold rings just to see what'll happen. Alright, let's take a look here. Wipe down my bottom edges. No, that doesn't look quite right there. I'm going to see if I can dump that off. Nope, I'm going to lose too much of my design if I try to do that. Oh, I'm liking that. Did not mean for the silicone, but I think it turned out really cool with it. Let's see. There we go. Well, let's pop the air bubbles and see if there's going to be anything else that develops. I think maybe it was the white that had the silicone in it, because that's where I'm getting a lot of reaction, is that blue and that white. So not a complete ring pour or straight pour, but I'm liking it with the effect from the cells. That's pretty cool. I really do like that. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like and subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified next time I put up a new video. And I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.